Hi, hi. Today the topic is how to give access Facebook Business Manager and ad accounts page like everything. So first of all, open your browser like this. I am opening Mozilla Firefox. You can open uh, Chrome browser. So now you can type on search bar. Here I am the copy paste, so you can see this https://clone business.facebook.com/settings. Okay, then hit the enter button, then enter button. Okay, then automatically here your business manager. Now like this, how much your business account like this. I am showing 3 4 business account to like this here. Okay, this is my business account. So and now how to give access another person. Okay, now click on here people's automatically, then click on here. Okay, invite. So I recommend that before you invitation any business manager, any others person like this, you check pages. Okay, actually add your page, then check the ad accounts. If you did not have ad account, just click on add, then create a ad accounts. Okay, now how to invite admin access. Click on people, then now click on invite. Okay, then type on example Joy Chakma 439 at gmail.com, gmail.com. Okay, then click on my mail, then click on next, then now click on enable manage, then every full control manage. Now click on view advanced option. Okay, then view and manage. Okay, then next. Okay, then this is your new experience page like this, my Facebook page. Then I am click on select, then scroll down right side, then now a full everything button enable. Okay, then now every click on add accounts. Okay, then which your ad accounts like this, I access another person like this add accounts Dubai. Okay, then if you need all ad accounts another person control, then all select. Okay, then like this full control, click on, then invite send. Okay, now assign access, already invitation sent. Now I am checking the my email, so you can see this my screen. Though I am going to my Gmail, then I am checking the social. You check this here social. Okay, then I am refresh the my mailbox. Okay, then you see here invite. Okay, Facebook, you have been invitation. John Marketer, you have been invited. Okay, so just get started, then anyone accept the invitation, then everything is okay. Thank you.